Today's jobs report came in stronger than expected, and that helped push both gold and silver higher as traders reassessed the path for the economy and for interest rates. In January, the U.S. added about 130,000 jobs, which beat economist estimates that were closer to 70,000. The unemployment rate edged down to 4.3%, showing that the labor market is cooling from the boom years, but still creating enough jobs to keep the expansion alive. Most of the strength was in healthcare, social assistance, and construction, while areas like government and some white-collar sectors showed more softness. The takeaway from many analysts is that we're in a late-cycle environment. Growth is slower but not collapsing, and the Federal Reserve can remain data-dependent rather than rushing into rate cuts. In that backdrop, metals caught a bid. Gold is trading just over $5,080 per ounce this evening, up on the day, and extending its rebound from the late January pullback. Silver is around $84 per ounce, up roughly 4% today, and still massively higher than it was a year ago, even after a recent pullback. Traders are tying this move to good but not too hot jobs, softer real yields, and continued demand for protection against inflation and policy uncertainty. Looking ahead, the next big catalyst for gold and silver is Friday's inflation report. If inflation comes in hotter than expected, that could keep rate cut hopes in check, but it also tends to support demand for metals as an inflation hedge. If the data is softer, it strengthens the case for the Fed to move closer to cutting rates later this year, which would also be supportive for gold and silver through lower real yields. So, to wrap it up, jobs beat, unemployment ticked down, gold is holding above 5,000, silver is in the mid-80s, and all eyes now turn to Friday's inflation numbers as the next key driver for the metals market. This is not investment advice, only market news and educational information. Always do your own research and talk with your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Are you looking for a reputable US-based company to purchase your gold and silver from? We use and recommend Money Metals Exchange. You can find a link to their website in the comments area below. Please subscribe, like, and share the Metal Market Minute YouTube channel with family and friends. We report daily news and educational information regarding the gold and silver markets. Thank you for watching. We welcome your comments here.